Justin and Jeremy have to work with me more than anybody else this time. I have 4 over 9, and I am multiplying this by 100 over 1. What is 4 times 100? It's 400. That's all I'm doing. I'm multiplying 4 times 100, and my answer is 400. And I'm going to multiply 9 times 1? 9. So now I have 400 to be divided by 9. 400 to be divided by 9. It's 400 over 9. I'm dividing that 400 by 9. So I go, as I said, if I go 9 into 4, I can't, so I now take on 40. How many times can I get 9 out of 40? And I'm saying, if we are having a problem with multiplication, we can use what is almost called the addition rule to get the answer, right? So I'm trying to get to 40, and I'm trying to see how many 9s I'm going to get to 40. So I do 9 plus another 9. 9 plus 9 is going to give me 18. Plus another 9. 27. Plus another 9. 36. Now, if I add another 9, I'm going to get what? Anybody? What am I going to get? I'm going to get 45. Now, I'm saying here, I do not need to go to 45 because my number here is 40. So I cannot go bigger than 40. I have to have a number that is less than 40, which in this case would have been my 36. So right here, I am not using this one. I go 36. That's what I can use. And how many times did I go 9 to get? It's 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 9s. That gave me my 36. Now when I take 36 from 40, I am left with 4. So I've used this, I still have this left. So I'm now going to bring down this 0. And I go 9 into 40, it's still going to be 36, so it's still going to be 4 times. And that's going to be 36. And I'm left with 4. But this time, there is nothing else to carry down. Understand me? There's nothing else to bring down, so I'm going to have to put a point and add a 0 to this. I'm going to still end up with 40 again. 9 into 40 is going to be 4 times, and as I said, we can see this becoming a repeating decimal. It's going to be 4, 4, 4, 4, and so I stop at 44.44%. So 4 over 9 is 44.44%. Let's try 8 over 5. So we did that one. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is 8 over 5. Sorry. 8 over 5. 8 over 5 times 100 over 1. What is 8 times 100? Hello, whole class now. 8 times 100 is 800. And what is 5 times 1? 5 times 1 is 5. So now I have 800 over 5. Division. 800 divided by 5. Now can 5 go into 8? How many times? 5 can go into 8 one time, and that's 5. 5 from 8 I'm left with? 8 take away 5, I'm left with? 3. I'm left with 3. Now I'm going to bring down this 0, so I have 30. How many times can I get 5 out of 30?
6.
6 times. And what is 6 times 5?
3.
30. 30 take away 30. 0. I'm going to bring down this 0. 5 into 0? 0. So that one didn't have any extra remainder or anything. My answer is equal to 160%. Now, why is this 160%? Because it's what type of fraction?
Improper.
An improper fraction, and that is why I end up with 160. It's more than a whole. 100% is a whole. We end up with 160% because it is more than a whole. It is an improper fraction. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. The next one had 6 over 7. Is this a proper or improper fraction?
Proper.
It's a proper fraction, so our answer is going to be less than 100, right? 6 over 7 times 100 over 1. 6 times 100? 600. 7 times 1? 7. 600 over 7. Again, I'm going to be dividing 600 by 7. 7 can't go into 6, so I have to say 7 into 60. Now let's use our multiplication addition rule. So it's 7 plus another 7 is going to be 14, plus another 7 is going to give me 21, plus another 7 I'm going to get
29.
hello, 21 plus 7,
28.
28, plus another 7 I'm going to get 35, plus another 7 I'm going to get
49.
42.
What?
You're jumping a little bit too far. Plus another 7, see I'm going to 60. Plus another 7, I have to keep going. Plus another 7, I'm going to get 49. Plus another 7, I'm going to get
56.
56. And it sounds like I could stop right there because if I add another 7, it's definitely going to be more than 60. Another 7 would give me what? 63. So that's more than 7, so I'm going to stop right there. How many times did I use 7 to get to 56? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay, so 8 times 7 gave me 56. And I'm left with 60 take away 56, so I'm left with 4. I have this 0 to bring down. So this time I have 7 into 40, and I can use this right here and say, where should I stop? I should stop at 35 because I can't go to 42, so I'm going to stop at 35. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I did that 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. I'm left with 5. Nothing else to bring down, so what do I do now? Add the what? Point and add the 0. Now I go 7 into 50. How many times can I get 7 out of 50? I can also use this chart right here. And I stop at 49. How many times is that?
7.
7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 from 50, I'm left with 1. I could add another 0. And how many times can I get 7 out